Lads, that was very loud. I'm sorry. Let me do that quietly. Lads, welcome back to another session. Today, we're going to be continuing on with Seaman, the best custom layer known to man. Except, it's not really the best custom layer known to man. It's literally just Ryan Fleury's custom layer. And, yeah. The best custom layer known to man. Yesterday, I started down a train of thought, which has something to do with this bad boy right here, cheat sheet. I've got no idea how to use it. I know you curl stuff, and then it returns you stuff. I don't want to be interacting with the internet, right? Because when I'm cruising around remotely, in the van, in the car, whatever, right? There might not be internet sometimes. I might just be in a completely remote location. And I'll still need to get access to the C docs to figure out how CPY actually works. I mean, that's probably a poor example since I've already got that internalized, but like say something like, I don't know, something. Basically, I need C docs offline and I'd like to be able to access it with cheat sheet. I'm not too sure if this is even gonna work. I mean, I guess I can try figure out how to curl it first. Maybe this will be helpful. I don't know. We'll figure it out. That's basically the goal for today. Optimization week. First thing I need to do is just download it and run it and try and get this guy working. And then beyond that, we can try and figure out how to get it offline. Let's go. To install the client, this is looking very Linuxy of you. Ooh, okay. It just works. Just like that, baby. So I've just found another route. We could go with DevDocs, and apparently they just do offline stuff nicely. I don't exactly know how DevDocs works, but with cheat sheet, you just do it in here, right? Or not, because apparently I'm just dumb and don't know how to do it. But you can do it in the terminal, and then it'll literally display the docs in the terminal, so I wouldn't have to leave the editor. Maybe I can do that with DevDocs as well. Yeah, so I'm thinking cheat sheet's probably gonna be better over DevDocs, because this has a CLI. I don't know if DevDocs does, so I think cheat sheet is going to be the way to go. Still text on screen? We should probably get rid of that. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and install it. Windows command line client. I'm just sitting here like a normal person, going about my business, doing some programming. Hang on a minute. How does strcpy work? Well, let me tell you. C/. Clean, baby. Look how easy that was, you know? Totally not at all. Definitely easy to just search it in Google. But we're gonna make it more seamless. But look at that. Right there, it's here. Now granted, this isn't offline yet. I actually have no clue how to make it offline. So maybe we can look into that a little bit. That's, all right, now that's actual just cheating. You can actually cheat on an interview with this. Don't do that. That's dog. I guess it's called cheat sheet for a reason, you know? Self-hosting, woo! Easiest way to get a self-hosted instance running is by using the docker compose.yml file. This builds and runs the image with baked-in cheat sheets, starts the app in a Redis instant to back. I don't know what any of this means. Yeah, so I'm basically just gonna make this process easier. Maybe we'll do something like you literally just highlight it and then you do like some hotkey and then it just puts it on the other side with a buffer. I also need to figure out a better way of searching everything. I also need to figure out a better way of traversing the entire docs because, you know, sometimes I'll just straight up not know the function name, right? I wonder how I can search better. I already have the cheat sheet client locally. You can use it for the standalone installation, otherwise it must be installed first. Ooh, okay. Cheat.sheet -- stand alone install. I would love the simplified install. Please, I'm a simple man, alright? Simplified install command, you must join the Windows Insider Programmer. The Windows Insiders program. I don't want to do that. Okay, let's just, yoinky sploinky. What's this do? Something. All right, so while this is in the process of working, I have just accidentally done something. I think I just, fuck. All right, so that's done. I'm actually just going to copy all these installation process in over here. First things first, what you need to do is get install WSL installation. So that way you guys can follow along with me and you don't have to figure this out for yourself. Running this bad boy offline because who needs internet for programming? Alright, enable virtual machine feature. Before installing the installation, you must enable virtual machine platform option the feature. Your machine will require virtualization capabilities to use this feature. Do I have that? I guess we'll find out. Boink. Alright, that's the next step. Operation completed successfully. Restart your machine to complete the WSL install and update to WSL 2. I'll be back in 2 minutes. We back. in action. I'm guessing something's worked right there. Hey boys, what distro should I run, eh? Which one should I run? Callie, they call me Mr. Robot. That's a joke, of course. We're going Ubuntu. Which one's the most popular one? Ubuntu by the looks of it. Ubuntu is for noobs? Good, because I am a noob. Checkmate. Okay, install. Please enable the virtual machine platform Windows feature and ensure virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. See you guys in like 5 minutes, depending on how long it takes me to find this fucking option. Figured it out. Oh, fucking... Trying to get into the BIOS is the most difficult thing ever. Because, like, all the shortcuts flash up on screen for, like, half a second. It just took me a while to figure out which key I actually need to press. Apparently, it's a delete key. I had to restart it, like, 5 different times because I just couldn't fucking read it. I figured it out. I've just enabled virtualization. Username, Randy. Password. Just like that, we have Ubuntu running on Windows. All right, well, that's interesting. So we can do stuff now, which is cool. So the whole reason we just installed this is because, so I can now do all this and just install it, but I don't know, because now it's just on Ubuntu. And I'm not using that. So how the fuck would this even work? I don't know why I did that. So my issue, guys, is how the hell am I gonna query man from forecoder? Temporary failure resolving, failed to reach. All right, so I'm guessing I need to get internet or something. I don't know. It's so good learning how to use Linux with just a live chat. Boys, the plan, simple. We're going to go into here and change this to that. Let's do it. Cue the music. This file was automatically generated by WSL. To stop automatic generation of this file, add the following entry to slash network. Okay, so I can change this name server to 8.8.8.8. Permission denied. All right, how do I'm gonna have to sudo this, aren't I? Sudo that, and then we go 8.8.8.8. So now we exit and restart. Hang on, ping Google. Google's been pinged! The ping works! How do I stop the ping? Apt get update. Yes! Finally. And now for my final trick. What's the man dev package called? apt-get install man pages -dev. We're installing the man pages. Yes. All right. Remember the truth. Man C. String copy, baby. Let's fucking go. The entire goddamn C docs at our fingertips. Oh, that is awesome. String compare. Oh. That's so good. That is good. I'm guessing that's all offline now as well. So like this entire thing is just offline. So if I would have just technically just yeet the connection, then I can still do it, which is goddamn great. That is sick. All right, that's exactly what we want. Well, cheat sheet, you can suck my balls. I'll say it. Optimization Monday, cheat sheet. Goodbye, RIP, and say hello to man. All set, boys. All right, I have just written up a massive ass tutorial on how to basically just do everything that I just did. So if you'd like to get access to that, then Rando's Digital Garden, link down in the description. You will of course need to become a randy.gg member first. So if you haven't already and you have a Prime Gaming subscription, you can head on over to twitch.tv/Randy, drop a Prime, link your account on the website and get access to all of it that way. So yeah, that's that. Yes! Look at that! Oh, it's beautiful. Mwah. Implementation, dest, source, size. We've got an example of how to use it. We've got some weird characters over here because the font doesn't support rendering of that. What is that? Ah, I've not, yeah. No wonder that isn't rendering properly. That's looking pretty goddamn good. That's looking pretty good. So we could actually make a custom forecoder command that would do that a lot more seamlessly, because right now, you know, we select an output buffer and then we type in the command and then we do all that kind of stuff. So tomorrow, that's what we're gonna be working on, trying to actually automate this a little bit more. But for now, that right there is everything. Adios. Take care. Have a good night's sleep. And best of luck with whatever it is you got going on. Adios.